So, it's been a while since there's been any videos with my face on them. Sorry, I've basically been feeling under the weather for basically ever since the week before Christmas. So, I've just not had a lot of energy for doing this, but I've acquired a lot of hardware in the past several weeks, months, couple months-ish. So I decided it is time that we take some look at some stuff and have some fun. Still feeling like garbage, but we are going to take a look at some hardware. So this is a brand new sealed in the box Arc B580. I did not get a deal on this. I paid slightly over. I paid street price for it. I paid slightly over sticker for this card. I paid $300 for this. I believe the Intel, the hell do they call it? Limited edition, special edition, whatever they call it. I believe the card is $250 plus tax, which around here, $25 tax. So I paid $25 over MSRP for it if you factor in tax. So I did not get a deal on this card, but I wanted to buy one. I wanted to take a look at it because I don't normally look at these kind of products. And I think that this, I've stopped buying, like I'm not even planning on buying a 49 or a 5090 as of right now. I've stopped buying stuff like that because I don't think anybody's really interested in that stuff realistically. The only people that are interested in it are people who can already afford it. And I think most of you are more curious about products like this. So this is just an unboxing, but we're going to do all kinds of stuff with this 580. These are known to only work well with newer systems, but they will work with older systems. So we're going to be doing stuff like looking at, for example, like I just finished a 4th gen build that's going to be my, I'm building all of these builds, so I have them on hand, and 4th gen is particularly important because it's just a lot of bang for the buck today. So one of the things we're going to be looking at is we're going to be popping this in my 4th gen build at some point. We're going to be saying, okay, we know it's bad in a resizable bar system, which 4th gen is long before that. But is it so bad that you're still better off buying, I don't know, a 1070, a 1080? Or is this almost as good as that and a little bit of room to grow when you decide to upgrade that to maybe a cheap 12th Gen i3 or something? Or is it so bad that if you're going to stick with older hardware, are you better off with something else? I want to look at stuff like that. I want to answer those questions. So today we're just going to unbox it. So let's see. It's got a little doohickey here. I think that keeps it from popping out. What we got? No? What's going on with this box? Damn it, I damaged the box. Gosh darn it. I was trying not to. The heck? Okay. What's that? Oh, come on. It's a terrible box. What's going on here? It's like this box is designed to not... Oh, there... Oh, now it opens. Okay. The heck? Okay, there we go. Now that I'm starting to keep a lot of this stuff, you know, kind of want my boxes. And by the way, I'm going to say, every video card in that file of boxes up there, I am in possession. I am in possession of that 1080 Ti, the RTX 3080 Ti, the 4090, the 970 right there, and that GTX 580 classified in the corner there. You can kind of barely see. And the 4070 is in this box. I am in possession of all of those cards. Actually, I have a lot more than that, but a lot of the cards I have, I don't have boxes for. So let's take a look. Is this? Oh, look, they have a... What? Okay. Thank you for choosing Intel Arc B-Series graphics. Thank you for trying our... What is this? Beta product or whatever at this point. Thank you for giving us a chance. How about you just... Thanks for giving us a chance. Okay, so... I really don't need that. I just need to look at the card. What's going on here? What? Hey, look at that. Watch this. I haven't actually watched any unboxing. Watch this. This is dorky. I cannot believe they did this. So they do this. Can you see that? Oh, here, watch this. Watch this again. Try to watch on my phone to see how you can see it. Okay, watch. They have it set up where it pops up for display. Look at that. Okay, that's dorky, but it's also kind of cool too. Oh, look at this. Supposedly these have fingerprint problems. Why would you make it out of a material that requires you to include a cloth? That's just, come on. I have heard that they have fingerprint problems though. Okay, let's see if I can figure out how to get this out. I have no idea how to get this out. Maybe like that? There, okay. Okay, that is definitely why you would use soft touch on a GPU. I am not sure why you would do that, but okay, it looks cool. I'll give you that. So it's small. Yeah, I mean, it's definitely, if I can make it work, and I don't really care if it works for my purposes, okay? This is really a play thing. This is really a toy. If it works for my purposes, great, right? If it doesn't, great. I mean, I'd like it to, just because, you know, it was more money than it's more money than I would normally spend on something like this, but whatever. This is I'm really just giving it a chance. I'd like to start giving stuff like this a chance, just because I think I've got the resources to buy it. So, you know, it's a cool looking card. It's a nice form factor. I'll give you that. It's been, I mean, this is very similar to like an old EVGA GTX 980. This has a very similar kind of size to it as something like that, which is certainly nice. But it's very cool, and this would be great for ITX builds. It's definitely a nice, very nice form factor. True 2-slot card, so you can kind of see that. There's not really a whole lot of overhang on it. It is a true 2-slot card. Supposedly this has DisplayPort 2.1. Really, I'm kind of vexed as to why they needed that. They were making a big deal out of it. I was like, why does it matter? It can't run anything. Maybe Fortnite? I don't know. I don't see you running anything at 4K and high enough frame rate to justify needing it, but it's like, okay, I guess checkbox features. So anyway, I hope you guys find this interesting, and obviously we're going to be doing lots of stuff with this. I'm still working a lot with, I've got a bunch of different things I'm working on right now. I'm working on so much, I don't have time for the videos for it, but, you know. Anyway, though, I hope you guys find that interesting, and thanks for watching the video.